welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a square knot. And with that one knot, you can create these two pieces right here. All right, so the first step is attaching your cord to your dowel using a lark's head knot. All right, to start, you're going to take these two side pieces, and those are the two you're going to use to actually create the knot around these two center pieces, which I usually refer to as the core cords. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this right cord and you're going to fold it over the two center cords, or the two core pieces, and put it behind the left cord like this. Then you're going to take this left cord and you're going to pull it behind the two center cords and then up through that loop that you just created. And then you're going to pull it tight while moving it up, creating a nice tight knot at the top there. And so now you're going to repeat that process, only on the left side this time. You'll create that loop. So you're going to take that left cord, create a loop by folding it over the two center cords, but underneath the right cord. And then you're also going to then take this right cord, pull it up through that loop that you just created over onto the left, and pull it tight. There you go, you have a square knot. I will show that to you again, but slower. Right, now I'm going to show you how to create this look using just square knots. You're going to add additional cord to your dowel and repeat square knots. All right, at this stage, you're going to attach additional cord to your dowel. All right, now that we have additional cord on our dowel, we're going to create two square knots going downwards. Right, and so now at this point in time, we are going to connect these two square knot sequences. All right, now to connect these two, it's pretty simple. Treating these as two separate sections, the right cord and the left cord are going to become your center cord. And then in the middle of the sequences, or those two sections, I guess you could probably better call them, that's where you're going to create the loops. And you're going to pull those tails through, or pull those cords through the loop. And there you have that first section complete. And so now that you have this pattern down, you're going to repeat that again. You're going to add two more sections, create square knots, and then connect them. And now I'm going to show you how to create this look using a square knot. Instead of reversing the loops, you're actually just going to create the same one repeatedly. You're going to start with attaching two strings or two pieces of cord to your dowel using a lark's head knot. And now you're going to create a square knot, the first half of a square knot, that is. So you're going to create that loop on the right, pull the tail through, and tighten it. Now, instead of creating this loop on the left side to create a full square knot, you're going to create another one on the right. And you can already see with just two that it starts to curve a little bit around. It starts to twist. And you're going to just keep repeating this motion as many times as you want to get it to the length of twist that, whatever your project is calling for, or whatever look you're trying to achieve. And there you have a twist using a square knot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and even possibly inspires you to create something yourself. If so, it would mean a lot for you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. If step-by-step tutorials using pictures are your thing, I do post those over on my website, which you can find in my bio. And lastly, feel free to check out my Instagram, which contains works that I have done. I also have an Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing anything that I have created.